Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of robotics and how it's becoming a microcosm of China's global manufacturing ambitions. Now, you might be thinking, robotics? Isn't that just about industrial arms and factory floors? Well, think again. Robotics is so much more than that, and it's at the forefront of China's transition from quantity to quality in manufacturing. So, let's explore why this is such a big deal and how it's shaping the future of global manufacturing. First things first, let's talk about the next new three: artificial intelligence, robotics, and innovative medicine. These sectors are like the new kids on the block, rapidly gaining momentum and poised to become the pillars of China's growth. But what makes them so special? Well, in my opinion, it's their ability to shift the engines of growth and mark a qualitative leap in manufacturing. Unlike the old three, these new sectors have led China to build up ecosystems and technological leadership from the get-go. Now, let's zoom in on robotics. In 2025, China's industrial robotics sector hit a historic turning point, with annual exports surpassing imports for the first time. By June of this year, export momentum remained strong, with industrial robots exports growing 18.6% year-on-year, and surgical robots exports soaring by 3.3 times. The overseas market footprint expanded rapidly from 23 countries and regions to 49, covering both developed countries and emerging market economies. But what makes this even more impressive is the niche segments. Domestically produced quadruped robots now account for nearly 70% of global sales, while humanoid robots make up more than half of global shipments. So, how did China become a robotics export powerhouse? Well, it's the result of years of indigenous market building and continuous iteration. The world's largest industrial manufacturing system, the most diverse services landscape, and the most diverse application scenarios in the country have provided a natural testing ground for domestically developed robotics technology. From auto welding and electronics assembly to warehouse sorting, medical aid, and emergency response, all kinds of tech approaches can be tested, iterated, and refined through real-world problem-solving, culminating in dependable, market-oriented smart solutions. One key aspect of China's success is its strong adaptability. Collaborative robots, for instance, can go from requirements to prototype delivery in 6 months, far faster than their global rivals. This homegrown testing approach enables quick adaptation overseas. Humanoid robots at Tokyo's Haneda and quadruped robots inspecting steps at Mexico's World Cup venues. In Southeast Asian factories, Middle Eastern oil fields, or South American mines, local conditions and habits can be readily accommodated with tailored hardware-software tuning. Now, let's talk about the ecosystem. China's deep industrial ecosystem has played a crucial role in its success. Over more than a decade, China has built a full-chain system covering core components, chips, sensors, operating systems, and system integration, with robotics now serving 71 industry categories and 241 subcategories. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. As China's manufacturing capability rises, the global push is shifting from selling products to selling solutions and from spot sales to ecosystem building. Domestic firms now offer overseas clients full-process custom solutions, line planning, automation, integration, remote maintenance, software updates, while bringing parts suppliers, integrators, and training services abroad to build localized service networks in target markets. In a Thai auto parts plant, Chinese robots handle welding and logistics while at the same time optimizing the entire line via digital twins. At a German logistics hub, Chinese AMRs integrate seamlessly with local systems to boost efficiency. These solutions and ecosystems bear the new hallmark of intelligent manufacturing in China. So, what does this all mean for the future of global manufacturing? Well, in my opinion, it's a shift from import reliance to global reach, marking the culmination of systemic capabilities maturing from quantity to quality. It's a key milestone for intelligent manufacturing in China on the world stage. As China's manufacturing capability rises, the global push is shifting from selling products to selling solutions and from spot sales to ecosystem building. In conclusion, robotics is not just about industrial arms and factory floors. It's a microcosm of China's global manufacturing ambitions, and it's shaping the future of global manufacturing. So, what do you think? Is China's rise in robotics a sign of things to come? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.